Hello and welcome to a PayrollNinja video. In this system demo series, we are going to explore the first part in the settings module. Let's get started. You can find settings in the drop-down menu. Before you start using your PayrollNinja account, we recommend you to fill in as many information about your company in the settings module. The first section that you'll see in settings is company. You've already filled in some of the information about your company when you register your account with us, such as your company's name, your state, and email address. So you can take the time to fill in the remaining information about your company here. You can fill in your company's business nature here, and how you categorize your company, whether it's by department, project, or sites. You can also upload your company's logo and fill in your company's PIC name over here. You can see the add-ons that you purchased for your company here. You can set your company's net pay at round up or down, as you can see on screen. So for bank in cents and cash cents, this is where you choose whether or not to display cents at payout. So if you select yes for bank in cents and cash cents, then cents will be displayed during payout, and should you select no, the cents will not be displayed during payout. If you decide to display your cents during payout, you'll then need to choose the direction of the cents. So for bank in, it's either neutral, whether you keep it as it is, or round up or down the cents. So whether it's round up or round down. So it's the same with cash cents as well. You need to choose the cash direction and the cash nearest to. Once you have filled in all the information under the company section, you can then click on update. Now we're going to take a look at the next section in settings, which is department. Department is how you categorize your organization. For example, there's finance, management, marketing, and production, but you can also add new or add more departments to your company. How do you do so? Is by clicking on add new. To create departments for your company, you need to go to add, edit location, and add new. So on location name, you can fill in the location of your company. For example, there's HQ or it's by branches. You can also do that. I'll give an example here by putting in Kuala Lumpur. Then I click on submit form. You can close the pop-up and find the department that you just created. On here, you can see Kuala Lumpur now, and this is where you create the department name. So for example, in your Kuala Lumpur branch, you have the human resources, so you can fill that in. Then you can click on submit form. You can add more departments to your company by clicking on add new and repeating the steps. Or if you no longer need certain departments in your company or your organization, you can delete the department over here. By going to the delete button, you will have the department removed. Let's take a look at the next section in settings, which is position. As you can see on screen, these are all the default positions set by the system. To add new position, you can click on add new and fill in the position name, for example, managing director, and then click on submit form. Depending on your organization requirement, you can add or remove as many positions as you like on this section in settings. Up next in settings is staff ID. As you can see on screen, you'll be able to see one system generated staff ID, but you can add more by clicking on add new. All you need to do is fill in your staff ID format name. This is to identify the staff ID. For example, I'm going to use human resources. And the staff ID format, I'm going to use HR. Numeric will start with 0. And click on submit. You'll see all the staff IDs that you have created here, and you can repeat the steps by clicking on add new. You can also delete or edit the current staff IDs that you have created. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.